Marilyn Mosby's upcoming federal trial will now be held outside the city of Baltimore. Today, a judge ruled in favor of Mosby's change of venue request. The trial will be split into two. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor was in court today and has more on the judge's decision.
Well, it's the second time Mosby's lawyers requested that her trial be moved. The first time it was denied, but this time her lawyers defended their argument with a survey and statistics. Results that the prosecution refutes.
Despite the initial fight for a fast trial,
what I'm asking for is that I be tried right now.
Oh, we're pushing for trial.
Because I know that I'm innocent. So I'm ready to go to trial tomorrow.
Following back-to-back delays, not one, but two trials for former City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby, now set to take place in Greenbelt, Maryland.
Marilyn Mosby has made an obstacle of every part of this trial.
On Friday, federal judge Lydia Grigsby granting Mosby's second change of venue request after her defense commissioned a jury consultant to complete a survey, finding 45% of residents in the Baltimore City region believe Mosby is somewhat or very corrupt, compared to just 26% in Greenbelt. A contrast the defense argues was created by a barrage of media criticism. But the prosecution disputing the data with a survey expert of their own. That expert calling the survey flawed, claiming the question's wording created bias. Additionally, that expert pointing to an exceptionally low response rate. Of the 87,000 residents called, just 602 answered. The prosecution also accusing Mosby of generating much of the publicity on her own. Ultimately, though, Judge Grigsby siding with the defense, saying the data shows there is a significant gap between the two divisions. Grigsby going on to say a fair trial will be more likely in Greenbelt. In a separate ruling, the judge also deciding to separate Mosby's case in two, holding one trial for Mosby's two perjury charges and another for the two mortgage fraud charges. The defense arguing Mosby plans to take the stand in one case and exercise her right to remain silent in the other. Judge Grigsby granting the motion in an effort to protect Mosby's constitutional rights.
Any comment on Mosby's case being moved outside of Baltimore City?
No comment.
Despite staying silent outside of court, inside, the prosecution calling the decisions a colossal waste of resources.
Mosby will first be tried on her perjury charges. That trial is expected to begin on November 1st in Greenbelt, Maryland. Reporting from the federal courthouse, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.